Understanding pedal adjustment, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, pedal adjustment. Whether you're a bike enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video will help you understand and use this term correctly. So, let's get started. Pedal adjustment consists of two words, pedal and adjustment. A pedal is a lever pressed by the foot, commonly found on bicycles, cars, or musical instruments like pianos. Adjustment refers to a small change made to something to correct or improve it. Together, pedal adjustment generally means making changes to a pedal to optimize its use or function. 1. Bicycles. Here, pedal adjustment might involve changing the height or angle of the bike pedals for comfort and efficiency. 2. Vehicles. In cars, adjusting pedals can refer to altering their distance from the driver, ensuring safer and more comfortable driving. 3. Musical instruments. For instruments like pianos or drum kits, pedal adjustment is about altering the tension or position for better musical performance. I had to get a pedal adjustment on my bike to make my ride more comfortable. The mechanic suggested a pedal adjustment for the clutch to improve my car's performance. As a pianist, she spends time on pedal adjustment to get the perfect sound. Not confusing with pedal. Pedal means to sell, which is different from pedal. Context matters. Always use pedal adjustment in the right context to avoid confusion. That's all about pedal adjustment. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase accurately in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about getting the small details right. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.